Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking.
So the title of this one is...
The F word.
Oh my gosh.
Farmhouse.
You thought you were going to say something different, didn't you?
So is the farmhouse style, is it done? Are we over it or are we not over it? So we get that question, comes up from time to time. And we think that certain elements of the farmhouse style are done, and but there's a lot that are here to stay for a while. And
Sure.
Some of those we'll point out that are done that we're so thrilled not to see it or do it again.
So really the wall art, I guess, right? Is that kind of one thing?
Yes, yeah, the written wall art. So home sweet home, and have a seat here, and it's over the toilet or something like that. And like it was cute for a while, but it's really great for a dorm room, but it's not sophisticated for a home.
Right.
At least that's our
opinion,
Our
of course.
opinion, so.
Another thing, obviously, is Shiplap, which has been very
Yeah.
popular for a long time. It's really cool, at least for us, when we're ripping out and work on an old home, and there's
Yeah.
original Shiplap in the home.
In the right
By all means, you
situation.
leave that, right? But I think now we think it's going to take a different trend.
Well, so there have been in the past where you see shiplap everywhere, and it doesn't always make sense for that particular home in that area. It kind of needs to fit the integrity of the house, and the shiplap looks really cool. So if you're going to do like an accent wall or make something stand out and be unique, that's, I think, something we think that'll be continuous for at least
For a long time
couple,
still, yeah.
2, 3, maybe more years. But it's just, it's the uniqueness of having the shiplap and not having it everywhere all around the house. So
That's one thing.
there's that.
Then there's another, which is basically the farmhouse type stuff of everything being the same, right? All farmhouse, all F word. There's nothing wrong with mixing the modern or the traditional with a farmhouse, like you know,
Yeah.
putting in a farmhouse sink.
Right,
Or
that is definitely a keeper, you know, because it can be modern.
it can be, you can be in a modern house. And so I think really where it's going, or we think where it's going, is it's just not going to be everywhere. It's just going to be certain elements. But one thing that you really think is going to stay.
So a lot of what you have with farmhouse is that neutral tones, the kind of timelessness where you're bringing in nature. Those kind of things we think are just going to keep on going, and those actually look really beautiful. And that's one of the elements of the farmhouse style that we really like to do, and we hope that stays. We think it's going to stay for a while. It's just, you know, when you're farming everything, you know, it's and look, if it's your style and that's what you're after, then by all means do it. But we just think there are certain elements of it that are just they're done. It's done.
Yep. Out the door.
Moving out of 2022.
That's right. So hopefully that helps with a little bit of what we think. And thanks for joining us, of course.
So it's remodel your thinking, but it's kind of what
That's right.
we think too.
That's right.
Anyway, well, we hope you enjoyed this latest episode, and you'll tune in next month for Remodel Your Thinking. And if you like what you see, of course, click on the like button and share with your friends.
That's right. Thanks.
Thank you.